This video explains how to move the robot when drive energy is not available. This may be necessary to do in the event that someone is pinned by the robot. This procedure should only be done when a person is in danger and needs to be freed. Start by making sure the emergency stop button has been pressed. If the person remains pinned, it may be necessary to move the manipulator without drive energy. This is how you move these parts of the robot without drive energy in an emergency situation. Access the fastener inside the desired motor. There are two ways to do this depending on the robot version. Dash 1 series robots have plastic end caps. With these, you rotate the plastic fitting and remove it. Dash 2 series robots have fasteners on each corner of the plate. Unscrew the 4 T25 fasteners on each of the 4 corners to remove this plate. Now you have access to the hex nut inside. Remember, the direction the robot turns depends on whether you're manipulating the A1 or A2 axes. For the A1 axis, use a 12mm socket to turn the hex nut. Turning this clockwise results in a clockwise movement of the robot's lower body. To move the link arm of the robot, locate the A2 servo motor. The A2 servo motor controls the rotation of this arm. For the A2 axis, you also use a 12mm socket to turn the hex nut, but the direction here is different. Turning this clockwise results in a counterclockwise movement of the robot's link arm. Return either the end cap and twist it shut, or tighten the 4 fasteners on the cover plate of the motor. After this emergency procedure has been completed, it's necessary to follow a series of steps to make sure the robot can resume normal operations. This is to ensure that it's safe to start the machine again and that the robot did not incur any damage. Start by making sure that there are no further safety hazards. Clear any errors on the robot. Determine whether it's necessary to master the robot. This is not always needed. Perform a brake test to make sure no damage has occurred. Finally, conduct a test run.